How you feeling?
Oh.
Look, all bloody. Oh my gosh. Are you in pain? Not in pain? Is that where you had your?
Oh.
You feel loopy? You sure you don't want to drive? Is that where they put the needle, IV? Well, you look pretty coherent. I mean, you look messed up. Oh, there goes my phone. Okay, I gotta answer my phone. You look good though. I'm videotaping you.